Have you ever tried self-love and felt like it was just fake, like repeating affirmations didn't change how you actually feel about yourself? Today I'm sharing self-love practices that work in real life, especially if you struggle with confidence, boundaries, people-pleasing, overthinking, or comparing yourself to others. What self-love really means? Self-love is not being obsessed with yourself. Self-love is treating yourself with the same respect you give to people you care about. It's the ability to say, I matter too, in your time, your health, your choices, and your boundaries. Self-love isn't a mood. It's a practice. Practice 1. Keep small promises to yourself. Build self-trust. The fastest way to feel self-love is to build self-trust. Every time you do something you said you would do, you tell your brain, I am safe with me. Start with tiny promises for 7 days. Drink a glass of water after waking, 10 minutes walk or stretching, write 3 lines in a journal, sleep at a fixed time at least 20 minutes earlier. Don't start big, start consistent. Consistency is self-love. Practice 2. Change the way you talk to yourself. Many people say they love themselves, but they speak to themselves like an enemy. So, here's a self-love rule. Speak to yourself like a coach, not a critic. Instead of I'm so stupid, say I made a mistake, I can fix it. Instead of no one likes me, say I feel insecure right now, and that will pass. Instead of I can't do this, say I can do the next small step. This is not lying to yourself. This is choosing language that helps you heal. Be on your own team. Practice 3. Boundary. Self-love. Protect your peace. You can't practice self-love and keep allowing disrespect because your heart learns what you tolerate. Boundaries are not rude. They are clarity. I'm not available for that. I need time to think. I'll get back to you. Please don't speak to me like that. I can help, but not today. One boundary can change your whole life because it stops emotional leaking. Self-love includes your body, not for looks, but for care. Try this 3-minute routine daily. 1 minute, slow breathing, inhale and exhale. 1 minute, gentle stretching neck, shoulders, back. 1 minute, drink water or wash your face mindfully. This seems small, but it sends a powerful message. My body deserves care, not punishment. Practice 5. Stop the comparison spiral. Comparison kills self-love because it turns you into a judge of your own life. So use this rule. If you compare, you must convert it into action. What exactly do I admire about them? What is one small step I can take this week? Example. If you admire someone's fitness, walk 10 minutes today. If you admire someone's confidence, practice speaking up once today. Comparison without action is poison. Comparison with action becomes growth. Practice 6. Forgive yourself with a process, not excuses. A lot of people can feel self-love because they carry and shame from the past. So do this 3-step forgiveness practice. I did this, and it hurt me or others. Learn it. What did this teach me? Repair it. What small action proves I'm changing? Forgiveness isn't pretending it didn't happen. It's choosing to stop punishing yourself forever. Learn, repair, move forward. Practice 7. Create a self-love menu for bad days so you don't spiral. Bad days will come, so plan for them. Make a self-love menu. 3 options you can do even when you feel low. A 10-minute walk, clean 1 small space, 5 minutes of prayer or meditation. When emotions are high, choices feel hard, so prepare the choices in advance. Self-love isn't loud. It's quiet, daily choices. Even if you don't feel it today, you can practice it today and feelings will follow. If this video helped you, like it, share it with someone who needs a reminder of their worth. Follow for more self-growth content, and subscribe for weekly videos that help you build a healthier mind and happier life.